Alright guys, there's a little game called Squirrel Stapler. Saw it on Steam. That'd be a good game to play. So, that doesn't matter anymore though. We're gonna hunt, as they say. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is lovely. We can't really get away from it all. Soon our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have not made her ugly and rotten. I wish you were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. I'll cover her in the squirrels of the wood. The plus here, I got a wife, guys. In 5 days, God is coming. Alright. Written in blood. It's a probably good sign. Oh, how wonderful. Oh, I hear one. Gang, you hear that? What's going on then? I hear him. Where are you, squirrel? Squirrely, squirrely, squirrely. Squirrely. What is that? Is that a squirrel? Pucker up, brother. Oh shoot! Oh my goodness, you just folded like a pancake. Are you a squirrel? Take that as a yes. Oh wow! Squirrels can run 20 miles an hour? I didn't even know that. Oh, this is kind of crazy. Is this my home? To boost my score? What? What the heck did I just do? Where am I? So I gotta run this way? Okay, this way's... I'm going this way. Okay, I found the freak corner. Oh, there's something here. Well, I'll leave him for tomorrow, I guess. Oh, it's shrubbery. I see. Alright, so, well, day one in the bag. This house is ginormous on the inside. Gotta be honest. It's also not an optimal hallway. Hello there, dear. This is horrible. What is the big squirrel? Oh, perfect. We got 2 already. Clipped. Okay, now grab this little fella. What is that? That's the big squirrel. Oh shoot. He's giant. Oh, I killed him. Yes, yes, yes. He's got a big heart, you can tell. This is ominous. My goodness. Okay. Alright, well, just 2 more squirrels and I'm out of here. Day 2 complete. Oh, what the heck was that? I don't, that was a whole, the sound like threw me off, and then just some ghoul appeared. Bam! Just like that. Face clip. And you're clipped. Back to the lobby. Dude, these, I swear to God, these are bot lobbies. Like, these are not live matches. Nope, nope. I heard it. I heard the ghoul. I heard the ghoul. Where? Where's home? Please help me. I see it. I see it. He's after me. You can see him. There's two. Where's the other? Go, 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 go. Ah! Okay, hold on. I think I got it. Oh, I still take damage. Okay, one side. We're inside. Okay. Okay. I locked in. I'm alive. Everything's okay. Whew. It's close. That was way too close. Oh, back to my low. Best I can do. Oh, time to hit the Fortress of Dreams. Ah, what a lovely day. Something was scratching on the window, was it? Oh. My. Well, of course. Those are not normal squirrel tracks, that's true. Okay, that's bad. I don't like that. No, maybe nothing's hunting me. Maybe I'm just like... Maybe it's just something. It's just my... I'm just playing. It's nothing. Got a burp. Yeah, it's a squirrel if I've ever heard one. One day I just wish a squirrel would come out. The hell is that? A squirrel bear? Shoot, shoot, run, run, run. Leave me alone, leave me alone. What the hell was that? Just exploded. I might be cooked. I might be cooked in these woods. All a man wants is just to find one big squirrel. Is that so hard to ask for? Do you hear a squirrel though? It's not exactly the squirrel I want to see. Shoot! Oh, Lord, that does so much damage. There he is. Yeah, I'm on to you, pal. Get some health? No. He's dead. Alright. I'm not facing any more of those bears. I'm out. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I hear a ghoul. Ah! There's a ghoul. Let me in. Ah. Safe and sound. Oh. Time to go home. To my lovely wife. Honey. Honey. Where'd you go? That's actually not, that is really bad actually. Oh shoot, hold on. Wait, what's going on? Nope, she's not in there. Oh, hello. Eating dinner, I see. Got some new squirrels for you. I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye. Enjoy, enjoy the slop on the plate. Just don't involve me in that, please. Come on. Bro, you cannot just casually appear. Okay. That one hurt a bit. I will admit. How close am I? I'm pretty close to home. I'm just gonna go for it. I'll be able to see any bears, and I should be fine. Now we're tight, we're tight. Okay, I'm home. I'm free. Okay, well, day 5 is tomorrow. So this little... My guy God should be coming. You in here? Nope. You just in the room? Maybe? Perhaps? Hopefully? Yes. Oh! Seems you have a new head now. And the Fortress of Dreams. Ah. Nope. I want a divorce. I don't think this is working out. Okay, what's going on now? The stapler will become the stapled. That is not good to hear. Yep, God is coming today. Oh wow, 2 squirrels to start off. Let's clutch up. We're in it. It's a speed run. Thread the needle through the hole. Not there. Looking for squirrels. Not bears! I wasn't there. I was never there. Get the soda. Get the damn soda. Go, 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 go. What's this? Oh, shitty shit. No! Back on the grind. They don't know. They don't know. Double squirrel. We are getting lucky. Dang it. Bro, not cool. Not cool, man. Going this way. Oh, thank God. I'm not losing this guy. This is a big catch. Okay. I'll get him, and then I'll go find my last squirrel. Okay. Can't believe it. Can't believe how far I've come. I'm barely even hunting squirrels to becoming professional athletes at it. It's just so much to take in. Oh. I'm about to end some poor squirrel's life. Oh my God! I feel a rush! Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on! There you are. Got him. There's a bear! Oh, God's coming. But the bear's coming! Is he? Guess not. I want more soda. I want to be able to sprint when God comes. I'm moving. Honestly, I think this is the perfect spot right here to see him. Well, you know, it feels like that, like 2 minutes. Like there'd be something happening. I mean, maybe not though. Oh my goodness. Okay. Guess I'm just waiting. No shot to spot the squirrel from here. Oh, they got some tunes. Not eerie at all. No, 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 wait, this is a beat. Okay, this is horrible. Not a fan of this game. You can come out now. God. I'm sorry, Squirrel God, I'm sorry. I'll quit the game out. I didn't mean it. He's right behind us. Clipped! Oh shoot! Jeez!